In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform sprint planning with Jira. Sprint planning is an essential part of agile project management, allowing teams to organize tasks and set achievable goals for the upcoming sprint period. Let's dive straight into the step-by-step process to get you started. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Jira. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the space where your project is located and simply click to open it. Spaces in Jira act as your work environment, where all your project-related activities are centralized. Next, you'll want to access the backlog. Find the backlog option in the menu, usually located on the side of the screen, and click on it. The backlog is where you organize the list of tasks and user stories that your team will tackle. It's essentially a queue of work items that need to be prioritized. After reviewing your backlog, it's time to create a new sprint. Under the backlog section, you'll notice a Create option. Click on this to initiate a new sprint. Here you can start drafting your plans and strategies for the tasks you are about to undertake. You'll now need to fill in the details of your plan. In the text area provided, type in a brief overview of your plan. Be thorough yet concise. This includes identifying overarching goals, key milestones, and important deadlines that should be addressed during the sprint. Once your plan is typed out, confirm your entries by clicking on the Create button. Make sure to double-check your plan for accuracy and completeness before doing so. Once clicked, your new sprint will officially be created in your Jira workspace. Now that your sprint is ready, it's time to launch it. Locate the Start Sprint option and click on it. Starting the sprint means you are committing to the tasks and goals you've outlined, so make sure everything is ready to go. As you proceed, you will be prompted to provide a name for your sprint. Type in a unique, descriptive name that reflects the scope or theme of this sprint. This will help team members easily identify and reference the sprint during weekly meetings or reviews. Next, choose the duration of your sprint. Typically, sprints last between 1 to 4 weeks, so select a time frame that best fits your team's workload and project requirements. Choose a start date that aligns with your team's schedule and project deadlines. This helps in setting clear expectations for when work should commence and conclude. In the following field, type in the sprint goal. This is a concise statement that captures what you aim to achieve by the end of the sprint. A well-defined goal keeps the team focused and aligned with the project's objectives. After finalizing these details, click Start to officially kick off your sprint. At this point, your team can begin working on the tasks, tracking progress, and adjusting plans as needed. Finally, click on Board to see the status of your sprint. The board visualizes the progress and flow of tasks, providing you with an overview to ensure everything is on track. And there you have it. You're all set to effectively perform sprint planning with Jira, enabling you and your team to achieve your project goals efficiently and successfully.